Ladies and gentlemen, this is a bike not from the dark side of the Japan, but from Japan. This is an MT-10 made by Yamaha. This is a street fighter. This is a bike that we will present you in a mini clip, not because we don't want to make a big review for you, but because we are in London and it's not possible for me to ride in an opposite position. I try very hard and the only thing that we succeed is to make some, frames, nothing more. So I will be very delicate with this motorcycle and I'm going on it. Before that, I will tell you that of course those are not original, are extra. This is Buick, is not original. Of course all the exhaust is not original, it's much better. And of course the tail, this one, is not original. Otherwise, the most of the things that you see in this motorcycle are original. Position of riding. I'm going up in this bike and do I feel comfortable? Yes, I feel comfortable. It's a nice bike and I can tell you something that I understand very well the time that I ride this bike is that make a nice angle so you can pass easily from inside the cars in the city traffic, and anyway it's a good bike for the town if you have a lot of money to spend for gasoline. Otherwise it's okay. So let's see now the position of riding with Georgia.
Excuse me.
Georgia, we don't have back footrest.
Excuse me. Am I mistaken? Is there a seat and I don't see it?
No, but I have to say that this position riding with Georgia.
But this is no seat here.
Yes, but I have to say it. I make a video.
Say it. How I'm going to go back?
That's why I say go back. I don't care. I called you. You don't want to sit here. It's okay. Go away. Go away. Every time you go away, you take a little piece of me. So, ladies and gentlemen, the back saddle for sure is existing, it's down of this cover, and of course we have a footrest here that we have taken them out now. The point is that is not enough for a normal person, but it's enough to make, let's say, not a big distance, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers till that with an adult, or to use it to take your child to the school, for example, something like this. It's a very, here we are, saddle. Everything is in a correct position here. I have everything in a place that I wanted and I can control nicely the clock of the bike. The point is that in the programs that we have in this bike, we don't have a big difference between the normal program with a special program. The performance is almost the same. But okay, you don't say that negative. Just happen. It's okay. Okay, I have no good view back. I'm not protected from the windscreen. The weather is bad, but let's hear now the engine. Lovely, lovely. And the gearbox, boom. It's not the best possible. They tell me that now that we will go outside in the countryside, I will have nice time. We will see it. I am happy. Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here, this is a 4-in-line engine, typical for Yamaha, a high performance engine that gives you 160 and a little bit more horses. It's water cooled, it's got oil cooler, it's nice engine because it's functional from very low RPM. It's a powerful engine and give a feeling of happiness to the one who rides this bike. Also, it's beautiful engine, so then you look at you like it. Of course, this engine has got something more cause the, horses, cause the exhaust, and very important, the frame and the back fork is not like the typical Yamaha that they got it like a P. It's like this. It's closed from the back side, and here and here. So that means that the quality that this bike is made, it's much better than the other Yamaha, 3 cylinders and etc. Here you can see this weld that it's very good and gives you another feeling of the quality of this bike. Hey Optimus Prime, how is the things in the dark universe? How is Miss Optimus Prime? Ha! Of course it's good. The only thing that she needs from you, it's a few 100 liters of good engine oil every year. And like this you can make Mrs. Prime happy. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I speak with my friend Optimus Prime. That of course is not made in the dark side of the Japan, but in the dark side of the universe. The face of this bike, okay, it's a little bit strange. You like it or not, take it or not. Probably it's a commercial trick because they need the customers to buy this bike that they grow up with Transformers. And this is very logical. We got an upside down fork that is very good functional. Everything is covered inside, so you're not gonna be destroyed. And we have brakes that they got 4 pistons calibers from both of the side, and of course ABS. Back we got a single piston caliber. And anyway, the brakes of this bike are good. Of course, with 160 horses, nothing can be perfect, but it's okay. So, do I like finally the braking of this motorcycle? It's okay. Quality. As I told you, with the frame and the back fork, the quality of this bike is good, but is not good everywhere, because you can hear it. The easiest thing of the world is to break those plastics. Nothing fits nice. Of course, this is not a brand new bike, but it's a bike of 2017. You don't call it very old. Anyway, this is metal. And anyway, it's a bike that mainly, except the plastics, is very good made. So I'm very positive on it. And now, because I am a very important person for the history of the motorcycle and I want to be very delicate with Optimus Prime, I will tell you, Georgia, please. From here.
There.
Tell me, Georgia, what do you think about it? Not the truth, not the truth.
Oh, what not the truth?
No, not the truth.
We speak about the truth.
Truth.
This bike is very fast. It is very loud. And
It's very loud.
yes, it's very loud. And it's not for a girl
Not
bike. I think it's not for a girl. Not for me.
Not for you.
Yes.
because for you, a pan-European is good and light for you, not something else, Georgia. Georgia needs horses. 160 horses are not enough for Georgia. Σταμάτη, τσικουδιά. Σταμάτη, εδώ είναι. Πονάνε τα χεράκια μου. Από εδώ έλα. Από εδώ τα χεράκια μου. Τσικουδιά.
Έχω το ποτήρι μου.
Τσικουδιά. Τσικουδιά. Αυτό είναι δικό σου. Το άλλο που είναι δικό μου.
I'm not finished.
Σιγά. Τζουγκρισέτα.
Soon.
Γεωργίτσα, τα χεράκια μου πονάνε.
Βίβες.
Δεν τρέπεστε λίγο.
Καλή.
Έχετε έρθει να κάνετε βίντεο και είσαστε λιάρδες. Δεν τρέπεστε λίγο. Δεν τρέπεστε. Ντροπή. Ντροπή και όνειδος. Ντροπή και όνειδος. Ποιότητα under the table. Λοιπόν, φίλες και φίλοι, να είσαστε όλοι καλά.
Κάτσε.
Ναι, I don't want this, σταμάτη.
Όχι.
No. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are, please forgive me for what you see.
What you see is what you
What
think.
they see. Forgive me. But anyway, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show, and we are happy because we are in a French garage and we make a garage episode at the same time that we are speaking also in this mini clip that you will see, and we have a nice time. We are very safe. We drink because we don't ride. We are inside, so we can drink as more as we like. And we are Cretans, you have to know. We are from the island of Greece that we call it Creta. It's one of the biggest islands in the Mediterranean Sea, and I think the fourth biggest island after Sardinia, Sicilia and Cyprus. The fourth biggest island is
Oh, we're
Creta.
doing geography now. Okay.
And we enjoy it. We enjoyed it more than ever in this video. So anyway, thank you very much that you are watching us.
Thank you, dear Seth.
This is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching.
Yes.
Even
we drink τσικουδιά.
Night time in London. Everything is hard for me. I follow the tracker. I have the feeling that I'm riding for the first time a very old bike that everything is opposite. It's now the same in the street. Everything is opposite, but it's an experience. Okay, my friend, we will go slowly, don't you worry. Oh, what is here? Nobody gives an attention that I'm going in. A lot of people, crowd, bike shop, exhibition, cafe, lunch. Oh, we have a traffic problem. Oh, there is more than me here. I love this place, but this is another story for another video.
sign Rosso.
The tank is in perfect condition.